To understand the RRR, we must first decode its name. The double R has long signified Honda's racing pedigree, but the triple R? That's a designation reserved for machines born from the pinnacle of motorsport, MotoGP. This bike shares more than just ideology with Marc Marquez's RC213V. It shares genetic code. The 30th anniversary edition is the zenith of the SP package, limited in number, distinguished by its iconic Grand Prix livery, a direct homage to the dominant Honda Rothmans and Repsol machines of the 80s and 90s. But look closer. This paint isn't just for show. It's applied over the most advanced production motorcycle chassis Honda has ever crafted. The philosophy is total control. Every component, every system, is engineered not for peak power alone, but for how that power is delivered, managed, and translated into lap time. It is a machine built to flatter the elite and educate the expert. At its heart lies a masterpiece of internal combustion, the 9999.9cc inline-4. But forget conventional thinking. This is an over-square Big Bang firing order engine. The 81mm bore is the largest in its class, larger than a Ducati Panigale V4's cylinders. Why? To allow larger valves, fed by a Formula One-inspired downdraft intake for a straighter, more furious charge of air. The result is 214 horsepower at a screaming 14 out of 500 RPM. But the real story is the 83 lb-ft of torque, arriving with a shocking urgency for a high-strung inline-4. This engine doesn't just build power, it detonates it. Feeding this beast is a meticulously crafted titanium exhaust, saving 4.4 pounds of the highest, most critical mass. And it sounds the part, a raw, metallic, mechanical scream that evolves into a howl. It is the audible signature of extreme specific output. Harnessing this power requires a frame of equal brilliance. The twin-spar aluminum frame is a study in stiffness, cradling the engine as a fully stressed member. But the true genius lies in the suite of control systems. Let's start with the winglets. Not for drama, for physics. At 186 mph, they generate 66 pounds of downforce, pressing the front end into the tarmac, allowing later, harder braking and increased cornering stability. This is MotoGP technology, distilled for the street. The SP package brings the holy trinity of suspension: Öhlins Smart EC 2.0, electronically controlled semi-active suspension that reacts in milliseconds to braking, acceleration, and surface conditions. Paired with Brembo's monstrous Stylema monoblock calipers, the same as on Ducati's Superleggera. It offers braking power that feels less like deceleration and more like a controlled impact. Then, the neural network, Honda's selectable torque control. A 9-axis IMU governs a labyrinth of 5-axis wheelie control, precise power delivery modes, and engine brake control. You can adjust the slide of the rear tire mid-corner. This is not rider aid, it's a co-pilot for the milliseconds that define champions. Herein lies the CBR1000RR-R's fascinating paradox. It is a weapon of terrifying potential, yet it possesses a chilling level of sophistication. For the expert rider, it is transparent. The electronic suspension provides a ride quality that is almost unnervingly compliant on the street, belying its track focus. The throttle connection is linear, predictable, a wire from your wrist to the rear contact patch. But demand more, and the transformation is instant. The initial softness of the suspension vanishes, replaced by infinite control. The engine transitions from a purr to a primal scream. The electronics become an invisible safety net, allowing you to explore limits that would be unthinkable on a lesser machine. It is both a scalpel and a sledgehammer. It demands respect, but rewards with a level of confidence that is, frankly, addictive. So is the 2022 Honda CBR1000RR-R SP 30th Anniversary Edition the perfect leader-class sport bike? Perfection is an illusion, But what Honda has achieved is perhaps more compelling. The perfect obsession. It is not the cheapest, the loudest, or the most comfortable. It is, however, arguably the most complete engineering statement ever offered to the public. A machine where every single component, from the paint scheme to the piston crown, serves the unified goal of total control. It celebrates 30 years not by looking back, but by accelerating into the future with violent grace. It is a monument to the belief that on two wheels, the line between man and machine can still be blurred into something approaching art. If you have the means and the skill, it doesn't ask for your attention. It commands your respect. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into mechanical obsession, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. What icon of engineering should we dissect next? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, this has been Road Rider Reports. Analyze deeper.